Welcome to the 7-Minute Cash Craft. Imagine waking up to the rhythm of waves, your laptop open, ready to conquer the world. This is the digital nomad lifestyle. Escape the office grind, explore new horizons, and build a fulfilling career on your terms. Join us as we unveil the secrets to turning your wanderlust into reality with healthy and sustainable practices. Before diving in, let's see if this lifestyle aligns with your goals and personality. Are you self-disciplined, adaptable, and passionate about lifelong learning? Do you have marketable skills for remote work? Are you someone who can set and adhere to a routine without external pressure? Working remotely means no one is watching over you, so staying productive relies heavily on your self-motivation. Imagine setting your own schedule. Are you able to stick to it, balancing work and leisure effectively? Life on the road can be unpredictable. Flights get canceled, Wi-Fi can be unreliable, and sometimes you just can't find your favorite brand of cereal. Can you roll with the punches and adapt to new situations easily? Think about adjusting to different cultures, climates, and time zones. Are you excited by the prospect of new experiences, even if they come with challenges? Technology and market demands evolve constantly. Are you eager to continuously update your skills and learn new ones? Consider your willingness to invest time in online courses, webinars, and reading to stay ahead in your field. Building your foundation. Building a solid foundation is crucial. We'll explore essential skills, budgeting strategies, and resources to help you decide. Identify your transferable skills, take online courses, workshops, or certifications to boost your expertise. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a variety of courses tailored to remote work skills. Look into specific skills in demand, such as digital marketing, coding, graphic design, or content writing. Tailor your learning to these areas. Budgeting is key to sustaining this lifestyle. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Consider using apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, to manage your finances effectively. Plan for both short-term needs and long-term goals. Save for emergencies and invest in experiences that enrich your journey. Create a professional website showcasing your work and use social media to connect with potential clients. Websites like WordPress or Squarespace can help you build an impressive portfolio. Engage actively on LinkedIn, Twitter, and industry-specific forums to network and build credibility. Exploring destinations. Explore potential destinations. Consider factors like cost of living, internet connectivity, visa requirements, and local communities. Websites like Nomad List provide comprehensive information on the best cities for digital nomads, including cost of living, internet speed, and safety ratings. Compare different locations based on your priorities. Do you prefer vibrant city life or a quiet, scenic place? Ensure you have the right visas and understand the legal requirements of working remotely in your chosen destination. Some countries now offer special digital nomad visas. Stay updated on visa policies and renewal processes to avoid legal issues. Engaging with local communities can enhance your experience. Join local co-working spaces and attend meetups. Platforms like meetup.com or Facebook groups can help you find these events. Participate in local events, volunteer, or take language classes to immerse yourself in the culture. Sustainable nomad life. Let's build a sustainable digital nomad life. Develop a time management system. Prioritize work-life balance and self-care. Use tools like Trello, Asana, or Notion to organize your tasks and manage your time effectively. Set clear goals for each day, week, and month to stay on track. Set boundaries to ensure you have time for both work and relaxation. Remember, burnout is real, and taking care of your mental health is crucial. Schedule regular breaks and make time for hobbies, exercise, and social activities. Incorporate regular exercise, a healthy diet, and mindfulness practices into your routine. Apps like Headspace or Calm can assist with meditation and relaxation techniques. Maintain a balanced diet and stay active even while traveling. Be prepared for challenges like loneliness, culture shock, and technical difficulties. We'll discuss tips for overcoming these hurdles, emphasizing resilience, adaptability, and support from your network. Stay connected with family and friends through regular video calls. Make an effort to meet new people wherever you go. Join digital nomad communities online and offline to share experiences and support. Embrace new cultures with an open mind. Learn about local customs and try to speak the local language. Be patient with yourself and others. Cultural adaptation takes time. Always have a backup plan for internet outages, such as a mobile hotspot. Keep your devices updated and secure. Use cloud storage solutions to safeguard your work and access it from anywhere. Yourself typing away on a beach at sunset, meeting new friends under starlit skies, and discovering love in unexpected places. So take that leap, explore the world, and live the life you've always wanted. Your journey to freedom, adventure, and romance begins now. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.